Hi everybody, welcome back to Python Enthusiast. Today we are going to discuss one more Pang interview question. What exactly is the question? The question is how to count the frequency of characters within a string. So, what exactly is frequency of characters? So, frequency is nothing but the number of times the character appeared within a string. So, let us have a quick look at the practical example here. So, this is my string, hello world, right? So for each character, we want the frequency. So now let us how. This is our input string. How should be our expected output will be h appeared only once, right? So that's why h is 1. E appeared only once, the 1. L appeared thrice. If you could observe here, 2 times L is there, and here also L is there. So 3. And O appeared twice. O appeared twice here, O here, and O here. Then W appeared only for once, 1 is there. R appeared only for once, 1 is there. D appeared for only once, and 1 is there. So this is what is our expected output. Given any string, so how you're going to find the frequency of the characters. Okay, so there is a logic here. So the two-step logic here, which I'm trying to explain to solve the problem or to solve this program. The first step is replace the space within the string. Suppose you have a space here, this also will be get counted. So let us replace and make sure both are something like appears like this. Though you're given a string something like this, we are making sure this appears like this, and we'll be traversing each and every character till the end of the string and coming up with the solution. Okay. So this is my first method. So whenever a space is there, like try to replace it. And the second step is use a dictionary with each character as a key and the frequency as its value. So dictionary anyhow is a important data structure in Python, which is nothing but it holds the data in the form of key value pairs. So the key will be our each character, each distinct character, and the value will be its frequency. So the dictionary we are trying to create is something this one itself. H appeared for once, E for once, L for thrice, zero sorry O for twice, W for one, R for once, and D for once. So this is our expected output, which we are trying to solve this problem by making use of one of the important data structure within the Python programming. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the program. So I'm taking an input of string. So the string gets stored into my underscore string. I'm just giving a display statement to ensure whatever the string I have given got on the same thing itself we are processing it. And the second thing is, so the logic first replace the space within the string. So for that I'm using my underscore string, and if people are aware, it's good. There is a replace method which will replace, if you want a particular set of characters, you can replace with one string with the other string. But right now we are interested to replace the space itself. So there's a function called replace. I'm making use of the function called replace. So wherever space is there, I'm just giving colon to ensure that the string got into a single place. This is how is my string now. Now, if you have a look at whatever I explained earlier, there itself the programming logic is also there. What I did manually also, I traversed each individual character. Whenever it got encountered for the first time, I added here. Whenever it got encountered, now H got encountered once, E got encountered once, L got encountered once, 1 is there. Second time when L got encountered, I incremented it. Okay, then wo I got encountered once, 1. W 1 I added here. Wo is existing already there, so I added up this, please mind it. And R is the first time I added here. D L is there, L is again already there, so I'm just adding up. This is a simple logic which you are trying to implement with the help of a dictionary. So as we said, you need a dictionary, right? So the second step is you need to take a dictionary. So in order to take a dictionary, first you need to create an empty dictionary, right? Create a empty dictionary. So create an empty dictionary. So I'm just naming it as my dict. So dictionary I need to initialize with the curly braces. This is how I initialize. Then what did I do? So I iterated each and every character within the string. So for that, I'll be using a for loop. So for s in my string. So in my string, so first you'll get a h, then you'll get a e. So what you're going to do with h? I need to check whether the h is there in the my dictionary. So if s in my dictionary, if it is there in my dictionary, what I am going to do, I need to increment it. Please don't get confused. If it is already there, I am going to increment it. And for incrementing, instead of making the code more longer, I'm just giving this basic additional assignment, something like this. Okay. Then, now that is the case when it is got encountered for the second time. If the character is getting encountered only for the first time, H, what you're going to do? You're going to update the key as H, and I'm going to give the value 1. It is not only for H. If W appeared for the first time also, W will be the key and its value will be 1. If any character appears twice, something like L, then it gets into this if condition, then it gets incremented. Okay. So this is all about count finding the frequency of each and every character within a string. When you try to again display this, you can simply display the dictionary itself. Let me let us give a clear description of this. Frequency of sorry each character within a string. Frequency of each character within a string my underscore do. So let me run this. When I run this, let us give the example I explained itself. Let us check the output also. The same should appear, right? HELL space WORLD. I'm giving an enter. So now the input string is hello world and the frequency of each character within the string. Just have a look. H one time. E is another key. It got one time. L is another key which got thrice, if you could remember. And O, it got twice. W, it appeared only for once. R appeared for once. D appeared for once. If you want a crystal clear understanding of your keys, what are your keys within your dictionary? There is a method called keys. Let us give it like this and check. Let us give a hello world itself right now. So dictionary keys are going to be HELOWRD. If you could observe, L doesn't appear multiple times because we are interested only with the distinct characters. These are the keys. There is also a method to find the values also, but we are least bothered about it. Just I'm trying to make you understand that by using the dictionary method, we are able to find the frequency of each character. So the character H, this is the key. H appeared once, E appeared once, L thrice, O twice, W once, R once, D once. If you want, you can give some random string also. So let me give a simple. Then let us give Python enthusiasts. Python enthusiasts, right? Give an enter. The input string is Python enthusiast, this for a reference, and the frequency of each character within the string. So P, Y, T, H, O, N. And if you could observe, these are all the keys, right? These are all the keys. P, Y, T, H, O, N, E, U, S, I, A. If you could observe, the keys are all distinct. There is no duplication in the keys. Only the values got incremented here. So P appeared once, Y appeared once, T appeared thrice, H appeared twice, O appeared once, N twice, E appeared once, U once, S three times, I one time, A one time. You can, if you want, you can really cross check it. So this is how you're going to count the frequency of each character within a string. So for more programs, Please subscribe to Python Enthusiast. If you are interested in many more any other codes, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.